Hello, in this video I will show you how to check battery temperature on Nokia X30. And to do this you'll need to launch your Google Play Store. Here we need to verify if that's me, and I'm gonna do it off the screen. Now that we're here, we can search for app and enter Ampere. Let's install it. When it's ready, open. Yes, I agree, and close. Here, when all notifications are closed, you should be able to see temperature like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.